What's going on, everybody? Colin here for Sammy Guru, and today we're going to be looking at One UI 8.5 Beta 5 here in the US, or if you're on Beta Wave 2, then you just got Beta 4, but nonetheless, the update is the same, and we're going to be talking about and taking a look at what is new, and there's not much new at all. This update was really just a Bixby update, so we'll hop in here to the update section, and we'll take a look at the last update, and it came in at 847 megabytes, so very small update. And as you can see here, the only thing listed is applied Bixby version update. So I guess for whatever reason, this isn't something they could do via just a Bixby, like store update. It had to be a full-on software update. And a lot of people have noticed that if we hop into Bixby here, I ask it a question. I just asked how tall Michael Jordan was, and it has a Perplexity logo down here on the sources. And I asked Bixby if it used Perplexity, and it said, no, I don't use Perplexity. My response on Michael Jordan's height was drawn from established biographical data and NBA records embedded in my training, not from Perplexity's search engine. And then I asked why it had the Perplexity logo on the sources, and it said, that's a good observation. The Perplexity logo appears because I use Perplexity's large language model to generate my responses. So it looks like in this new update, there is some kind of integration with Perplexity, whether it's for getting results, and the other portion, that it told me it wasn't using Perplexity just hasn't, been updated in Bixby's, database yet or whatever, or it's just using the voice model or something like that to generate the responses. Not too sure, but nonetheless, there is some reliance on Perplexity's language model there, as you can see in this new update. That is all that has changed here in Beta 5. There's no other UI changes or anything like that. They didn't even mention any bug fixes or anything on the release notes. So it was literally just a Bixby update here in Beta 5. We're less than a week away from Samsung Unpacked, where they're going to be announcing the Galaxy S26 series devices. So we should also be getting One UI 8.5 public here very shortly. I'm going to guess that the S26 series are going to be shipping with 8.5, and then we'll see the rollout to the S25 series, the Fold series, and older devices shortly after that. So we do expect Beta 5 to likely be the last update. Everything is running pretty smooth. I'm not having any issues, no real bugs or battery life concerns or anything like that here in Beta 5. So I don't really see them needing to do much else to release this to the public. Now, that being said, like I said, we are less than a week away from the Galaxy S26 launch, and don't forget to sign up for Sammy Guru's S26 Mystery Box program. It is open. All you have to do is go to SammyGuru.com. You might get a pop-up right here to click there, and you can enter your phone number, or you can also enter your email. If you go back to the Sammy Guru website down here, you can tap the banner up top there. That'll get you right to this page. You can tap Galaxy S26 Ultra right there, and you can enter your number there as well. So you'll get text notifications when the links go live for pre-order. All you have to do is pre-order using Sammy Guru's link, and we will ship you out a mystery box with some goodies in it. It does tell you down here on the bottom of the page what is guaranteed in every S26 mystery box. And that's going to be a phone case, a screen protector, a desktop phone stand, cleaning kit, 65-watt charger, which is real nice, and a USB set of wired earbuds. You also get it customized to your device. So if you order an Ultra, your screen protector and case will obviously fit the Ultra. If you get a regular one, they'll fit the regular one. So you can also win some items. 1 in 10 boxes will have an Amazon or Google Play gift card. 1 in 100 boxes will have a silver ticket, which you can redeem for the new Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And 1 in 250 will have a golden ticket redeemable for a Galaxy Watch of your choice. So a great way to get what Samsung has taken out of the box, and also get a chance to win some devices to complete your Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. So all you have to do, like I said, is pre-order using the Sammy Guru links. You can go ahead and sign up now so you get those texted over to you when they go live. And then you come back after your order is placed, verify that you placed your order, and like I said, we'll ship out that mystery box to you free of charge. No shipping, no nothing, completely free. Doesn't cost you anything extra to use our link when you pre-order. I'm Colin for Sammy Guru. Thank you guys for watching.